So on the back of a stuffing mix box was this recipe. And I said, hey, that looks really yummy. Let's give it a try. That's what we're making. Bruschetta chicken bake. Simple and real quick to make. Let's do it right now. Chicken. That's what we need. I got 2 big chicken breasts. Box of stuffing mix, because that's where I got the recipe. You can use any kind you want. Some cheese. The recipe was mozzarella, but I only have my mix. It's going to work just fine. A small can of diced tomatoes. I almost went out in the garden and just picked 2 tomatoes and chopped them up, which you could do. 2 cloves of garlic-ish, and that is 1 teaspoon of basil. Sounds yummy to me. Hey, another great recipe. I hope you'll give it a try. Leave me a comment below, one way or the other. Listen, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, because that'll tell you the next time I upload a video. Feel free to share this and any of my other videos. And thanks for stopping by and watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.